Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, let's open the Google application and then tap to Google folder and tap to Gmail application to open it. Then click here on the right upper corner, and if you want to log out from this Gmail account in Gmail app, we should first log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device. Tap to this account and click remove account. After that, confirm your action by click to remove accounts again. After that, go back, because now in Google accounts settings we just have no any logged in accounts, and we can see and check that in Gmail app we also log out successfully from the Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.